Hey everyone, this is the unboxing for the Spry by SwellPro. So I just got this today, and let's open this up and let's see what this looks like. Alright, so let's open this up. Alright. So it comes in this nice carrying case. It comes with the Spry logo. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. I apologize, the lighting's not really good in here. So it has a little carrying handle and some straps on it. Okay, so let's open this up and let's see what we got. Alright, there it is. The Spry. So let's take a look at this. There's the camera encased in the front. Okay. Look at the bottom of it. Let's turn it over. Look. Overall looks nice. Can't wait to get it up and fly this thing. So let's look now what's underneath this. Got the control. Pretty nice. Couple antennas to go with it, and an owner's manual. Got the charger. Let's see, get some accessories. Power cable. Okay, I got the battery. It goes in it. And we got 2 packs of propellers. So it looks pretty nice. This back where it goes. Overall, let's take a look back at the Spry one more time. Let's look at that. So hopefully this weekend the plan is to get this up and running and to fly this around and see how it does. So hopefully this weekend I'm going to have some videos for you with this, and we'll see as far as how it does, and I'll give you an overall evaluation of how it flies. Okay, till next time, Bye, everyone.